Hi Click Designers, this is Vanessa again and I'm back with another video, this time to talk about ClickDesigns Image Editor and Pro Image Editor. By the way, this is not to compare them because they are completely two different tools. But today, I'm gonna show you everything you need to know about these two incredible tools within your ClickDesigns access. Now, your account gives you free access to the image editor. So what will happen is that if you select an image, let's say this picture of a dog here, we're gonna add that, you will automatically get access to the ClickDesigns image editor. Let's start with the image filters, and from here you can change the color of your image. You could make the image black and white. To remove the filter, just select the option again. You could also play around with the brightness, the noise, the contrast, or you can also invert the color of that particular photo. Personally, the image filter helps me when I need to use existing designs that doesn't blend well with the background of my new design. So I'm gonna delete this image here. I would go to the My Designs, and let's say I would need to use this existing logo that I created. And then for my new design, I would need a light blue background color. So let's select this. From here, you would notice that some elements of my image are not visible. So what I usually do is I play around with the contrast, brightness. Sometimes I also enable the noise filter here. There are times that I would use the invert option. In that way, I would be able to create a completely different design using my existing image. You could also crop your own image. Just move the box in this section. And aside from that, you would also be able to add a number of image effects in your own photo. You could play around with its angle. This is best if you would want to have the total control of how the image should look like in your design. Additionally, you would be able to add shadows and customize the shadow effect. You may also change the color of the shadow. You could add reflection. And you could also circle your image. My personal favorite here is the opacity settings or tool because it will allow you to customize the opacity, therefore be able to easily create the background effect that you would need for your design. So for example, this particular image, I would need this as a background for my design. So what I would do is I would lower down the opacity and then I would send it backwards. So it would be the background of my design. And at the lower part of the image editor, you would see these two icons or two tools here. That would allow you to either vertically or horizontally flip your image so that you would have the control on how you would want the image to appear in your final design. Next, let's move on to the Pro Image Editor. Now, the Pro Image Editor, as I mentioned earlier, is a completely different tool than the image editor that comes with your ClickDesigns account. This is a subscription-based and credit-type API tool within your access. Once you get the Pro Image Editor, you would automatically get the 3 additional tools. That's the background remover, the face cutout, and the tonize. Now, depending on your needs, you may select the standard credits or the unlimited credits. The standard credits will give you 100 credits for $4.95 monthly, and any unused credit for the current month will roll over the next month. For the unlimited credits, that's $19.95, and you would get unlimited credits every month. The Pro Image Editor is also very intuitive because once you open the Pro Image Editor, you would see the credits in your account, the available credits that you have, and how many credits are needed for each tool. So for the background remover, we only need 1 credit. For face cutout, we also need 1 credit, and for the tonize, we need 2 credits. Now, the usage of your credits will of course depend on you. If you have, let's say, 100 credits for this month and you would just want to use that for background remover, you can go ahead and do that. It's completely up to you. Now, the background remover, as the name suggests, it removes the background of any image that you add in your design. The face cutout is best when you need to create bubble heads. And the two nice is for applying the cartoon effect on your image. And that's it. With your ClickDesigns image editor plus the Pro image editor, you would be able to fully customize any image that you would want to add in your designs. Thank you for watching. Bye!